I'm Paddy O'Kelly. We're farming here in West Limerick, in Broadford, milking 120 Holstein, pedigree Holstein cows, producing close on 600 kilos of milk solids and about 1.2 tonne of ration per annum. Yeah, the worm strategy on the farm, we always give them cows an old dose of dry off, and mid-season, just as the cows go into their second half of her lactation, early July, we give them Eprecis. Yeah, I've been using Eprecis now 4 years. We're going to use it for our 5th season this year. I like the product because it's an injectable. It's very easy to give it. I use it there on the locking barriers. The dose rate is very low, and you know it's in the animal. Cows can't lick it off. Rain can't affect the cow. You can do it while it's raining. I'm confident using Eprecis because it is zero milk withdrawal. It's an injectable. It's very easy to give it to the cow. When it's in her, it's peace of mind, and it's fast acting. It works within a couple of days of injecting the cow. So if you have a problem, you're nipping the problem in the bud fairly fast.
Eprecis is the only injectable form of Eprinomectin. Eprinomectin is a broad-spectrum wormer that's going to cover gutworms and lungworms with zero milk withdrawal. As an injection, Eprecis has better bioavailability. This means it's reaching higher levels in the blood faster. You can be confident that the dose that you gave your cow is going to be effective treatment for lungworm and gutworms. Eprecis obtains better bioavailability by getting into the cow faster and at higher levels. Peak blood levels are reached at 36 hours, so you can be confident that the treatment that you gave is acting quick to treat lungworms and gutworms. Eprecis will treat adults and larva lungworms. Gutworm adults and larvae, including Ostertasia and Couperia, which can impact milk yields, will also be treated. Sucking lice, hornflies, warbles, and Sarcoptes mange will also be treated with Eprecis. When considering when to use Eprecis on your herd, you should seek some veterinary advice. Many factors are going to come into play, including the weather, if your cows are showing any symptoms like coughing, and any changes in milk yield within your herd. Typically in the summer months in Ireland, we'll see an explosion of larvae when there's 10 degrees and rainfall. So this is the time frame when we're going to be most at caution and looking for these signs. Eprecis is an easy subcutaneous injection under the skin. We recommend to give it at the neck or at the point of the shoulder. The dose is 1 ml per 100 kilos, so a very easy dose regime, and it's a very low volume, so you're going to be giving usually 6 ml or under per cow. Eprecis is available to purchase from your local veterinary surgeon and agri-co-op store. It's available in 100 cow herd packs and comes with an applicator. For more information on how to control gutworms and lungworms in your dairy herd, contact your local veterinary surgeon and co-op agri-store and visit eprecis.ie.